Hi folks, it's Rod at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're just outside of Portland. It's a great day today here at the store. Got a few minutes to show you some things about this new arrival. This is the Roadtrek Chase, a new line from Roadtrek. It's a 2024, so it's brand new. It's available in a number of different colors. This is the nice charcoal gray. I love it so much. It's got some great features. We're going to take a look on the outside first, and then we'll go inside. Behind the camera is Nolan. He's helping me, so if you have any questions, you can ask for either myself, Rod, or Nolan. Would be glad to answer those detailed questions for you and tell you more about it. This, as we go around the outside, first of all, I want to point out a couple things. You got a nice full-length awning, so you can establish a nice patio when you get where you're going. Roadtrek also does a nice thing with power steps. The ProMaster vans, sometimes that first step up's a little bit tough, and you'll see built-in steps. These are not built in, they come out automatically when you open, and then when you close the door, they close. And when you're inside, you have a button, and you can turn that off so it stays out when you're camping. I really like that. So you don't have to wait for it to come in and go out. Let's work our way around. Come on, Nolan. I want to show them a few things back here. Now the ProMaster is a 6-cylinder, gas-powered front-wheel drive chassis. It's already hitched and ready to tow, so it'll tow about 3,000 pounds pretty handily. Does a nice job. We've got a couple different backup cameras here, so inside you'll see your rear view mirror has a video rear view mirror, which I really like. Very open, very clear visibility behind you. Sometimes you don't have that in these vans. Also, I want to show you the layout back here. We'll go inside in a second, but you'll notice the rear of it here, you have twin beds, beautifully done. There's one thing about the Chase, they've done some upgrades in the interiors. This is all ultra leather. You have lounges, so the head of the bed both tilt up, which allow you to read in bed, watch TV, make yourself comfortable, but also you can bring it together and make a very large king-size bed. So I think sometimes couples maybe have a toddler or a young one that they feel better having them sleep with them. It's a great setup for that. But you also have the separation. You can bring bicycles, you can bring gear, you can bring stock, and not stock, but just different things you carry along with you on your trips. You can store them inside with you. Of course, with the trailer hitch, you can also bring a carry-all if you need more storage. And come on around the side, I'll point out a couple things. You've got a hot and cold outside shower. You have continuous hot water, the Truma system. You also, on Roadtreks, you have a macerator system. You have a choice. You can go either macerator or traditional gravity dump for dumping in your tank. So that's kind of nice depending on your traveling circumstances. Come on around, we'll go inside and take a look at the interior. You've got to see this. They just do a nice job on this van inside. Beautiful new textures, colors. Head on in, Nolan. I'll just stay out here and kind of chat while you're doing a little scan inside. But you'll notice up front you've got all the nice new safety features of the new ProMaster. You've got ultra leather seats. Towards the back you can see a better look at those twin beds, your gallery, solid surface countertops. Beautiful light colors in here. I kind of a white oak. You've got some wood grain, which is real nice. And that's one of the things when you're in the little vans. They can seem kind of small sometimes, but this is the way they've done this. It seems so open. Now I'm almost 6.5 feet tall, so it's a little short for me, but most everybody does real well in here. But you've got lithium, you've got solar panels on top, you have the new under the hood generator, which makes generation of power very quiet, and it runs your whole house, including your air conditioning. So many more things to talk about. Please give us a call. You can ask for either Nolan or myself, Rod, and we'll be able to answer your detailed questions that you have. Our number is 503-668-5400. Hope to talk to you soon.